The excitement of a South Carolina low country Christmas season kicks off Saturday, December 8th with the annual Christmas Parade and tree lighting ceremony in downtown Hardeeville. A Christmas parade begins at 6 p.m. and will energize Hardeeville streets. Children and grown-ups alike will enjoy the marchers, floats, and music. The traditional tree lighting ceremony follows at 7 p.m. at City Hall, where Hardeeville Mayor Williams and council members will light the tree. Holiday music will fill the air, and the Ridgeland Hardeeville High School Marching Band performs. Younger kids will also delight in a reading of 'Twas the Night Before Christmas, while Santa and his elves will be on hand for photos. Everyone's welcome, so come join the holiday festivities in Hardeeville, South Carolina, Saturday evening, December 8th. For more details, call 843-784-2231. That's 843-784-2231.
Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas!